It's what?
My little armpits are sweaty, dog. Come on, bro. It's time to.
Yeah.
This is gonna be my the little clip before you drop your intro. For real, this gonna be that clip.
Why?
Hi.
You what?
All the weekends, make sure you get your content. Not to mention it's Sunday. Like you don't got a real job. Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, this video is gonna be a little different than my normal YouTube videos. We got Bae on the B-roll footage for me for the UNC ones. Check me out, check me out. Don't forget, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. If you're not new here but you keep coming back to watch my videos and you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's get into the review and unboxing. I was going to make the UNC unboxing video all by itself, but once I got these hypers, I was like, oh, why not do a versus? You know, like, who don't like versus battles? Y'all know Keisha Cole and Ashanti.
How we about to get this G thing started? Start it off, Casey. Go.
You know, versus. Moving on. So, I got some footage of me walking around, kicking it or whatever in the UNC ones, which I have right here. We're not even gonna unbox them. They're already unboxed and laced up, ready to go and worn. Okay, yeah, I wore them already. So what? But I have not worn these. Hello? Who said what? Who wasn't getting these shoes? Your girl was gonna get them for sure. I'm in love with this shoe, y'all. I think it's so pretty. Super tough to get. Super, super tough. Like those, like, hype in the word hyper. Yeah, these shoes were super hyped up and super hard to get. I tried to enter the draw through sneakers or whatever, the Nike app basically. I tried to enter a draw for me and I tried to enter a draw for him. Lost both of those. I was on Facebook. I saw people talking about it. Everybody was like, did you hit? Did you hit? Everybody's like, no. So nobody hit. I know one person that posted that they got them for retail through Nike. And I saw that on Instagram. So super tough to get. Whereas the UNC ones, I don't think they were as tough to get. But both definitely very, very popular. I'm trying to compare the quality of the leather because I've watched several videos that talk about it. Let me see how close I can actually get in focus. So if you look, this is more like that smooth type, where over here is giving me pleather vibes, I guess. Over here, I mean, I'm sure they're the same, but if you can definitely tell the difference in between the quality of the two. Even at the front part of the shoe, y'all see that? Versus put them both together side by side and maybe you can see both. I saw videos about people comparing the suede, like saying, oh, well, the suede on these UNCs are better than the suede on the two. I mean, if you look appearance wise, at first glance, I mean, yeah, this does look like a smoother suede, but I mean, that's how these were made. Like, they were made to look like this. So I don't think that's a real comparison. I don't think that's a fair comparison, I should say, as far as, you know, like I said, comparing the suede piece. Now the suede is a little rougher, but yeah, like I said, it was meant to be like that. As far as the colorway, I love the colorway of this shoe over the UNC's. I'm sorry, I do, y'all. Hey, oh well. The different little switch up that you can do, like changing the laces, royal blue laces. Matter of fact, let me swap them out so y'all can see what it looks like. Y'all want to know something that's super weird about this shoe? Is the fact that although the leather feels thinner on it, they actually fit really tight, like right in here. Not this shoe, I'm talking about these right in here. They fit super tight, like, and these are a size 4, so, and these are a 4. My royal toes are a 4.5 and they're too big, and I can tell that they're too big. But for some reason, like when I slid these on for the first time, they were super tight, but I can tell they're kind of course loosening up as I walk around. On both, you still have this like little you have this little mesh, not really mesh, but you have this soft tongue. It's not a leather tongue. You have that on both. Let me unlace these so you can see a little bit better. You have the soft tongue on both. Let's talk history on these shoes. So UNC obviously represent UNC. Michael Jordan went to UNC. So that's what these represent. I just want to say that I'm embarrassed to admit that we had to purchase these shoes both at resale value. So normally they retail for $130. I think both retail for $130. Yeah, both retail for $130, and we had to pay resale value, which is dumb high. But don't worry about that. Get out of our pockets. Anyways, if I had to choose my personal favorite, I'm gonna go with the Hyper ones, just because the color way on them is just so pretty, and it's like soft, and I feel like you can wear it with more things. Like I can put on some gray, like a gray dress, like a sundress, and swag the sundress out. I can put on white with it and still, you know, some pops of blue or whatever, and just, you know, or all white in the shoes and kind of swag it out like that. I can put on black, I can put on royal blue, I can change the laces. This shoe, the Hyper ones, just seem like they're more of a versatile shoe compared to the UNC ones. So my personal vote is for the Hyper ones. These, you're really only going to be able to rock these with like some black jeans. I personally probably wouldn't wear these with blue jeans. I think that's just, I mean, you probably could wear like some light stonewashed jeans or something. I don't know. But I would probably rock this more so with black, just because it's going to set off. Like, it's going to be the focal point of your outfit, rocking these. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Daima Epiphany. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram, same name. And make sure you like this video. Tell me what y'all think about the sneakers. Did y'all get them? Or are they a bust or a buy? What y'all think? Let me know.